Hey there, it's Jesse Herrington, Heritage Home Lending. Hope all is well. Hey, I wanted to just send you out a quick video going over something in terms of making your monthly payment and specifically auto payments. So typically when you're going to set up auto payments, there's really like two ways to do that. You can look at setting up a bill pay through your local bank or credit union, or setting up a draft directly from the servicer. And what I wanted to recommend was that you would set up a draft. And the reason that I want to recommend that is because something that happened to me and my wife when we purchased our first home. And what occurred was we set up a bill pay. And so a bill pay is where you are going to the entity where you have your checking or savings account. You're setting up usually a reoccurring payment through them, telling them to send the money on a certain day for a certain dollar figure. And so that worked perfectly fine for approximately a year. But after a year, what occurred was our taxes, our insurance, or perhaps both, I don't remember, but they went up a little bit. And so when that occurred, our monthly payment changed, because if you are escrowing for taxes and insurance, that portion of your payment will change from year to year. And so what occurred was we had set up this bill pay and we kind of just set it and forget it, right? Like so many people do, is you set it up one time, you stop opening your mail, and you just think that you're good to go. Well, we weren't good to go, because after that year, our payment that we were sending in was no longer a sufficient amount to cover the whole thing. Now, fortunately, we had set it up to always arrive a few days early, and so we never went 30 days late, because before that happened, our second payment would come in, and then there would be enough money to cover the whole payment. But nevertheless, we were accruing some late fees, and we didn't notice it until we opened the mail. So, a couple just reminders from my own personal mistakes are: one, set up a draft rather than a bill pay; two, open your mail; and then three, realize that your taxes and insurance, those things can change from year to year. And if you're escrowing for taxes and insurance, that portion of your payment can change. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Hope all is well and have a fantastic day.